I got everything I wanted and some more. I think I was better off when I was broke. Took my younger days for granted, now it haunts me. I'm just trying to live and the devil keep trying to taunt me. Big dreams, small town, grew up too fast. Never stop to look around while I do that. I know it isn't safe, I'm looking out the rear view. Know if I don't stop that I'ma crash, but I still do. Damn.